Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable Ask before closing multiple tabs in Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Edge browser on your PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Edge settings, scroll down in the left sidebar and select this one accessibility tab. On the right, scroll down to this one make Microsoft Edge easier to use section, and here you will find ask before closing a window with multiple tabs. To enable this one feature, just toggle on this one switch, and to disable this one feature, just toggle off this one switch. In case you have enabled the toggle switch, and when you will open multiple tabs and when you will try to close it, Edge will warn you that you are closing multiple tabs. You need to confirm it. Just I have trying to close this one Edge browser, and you can see Edge prompting me, do you want to close all tabs? We have to confirm with close all button by clicking on this one close all button.